Hey everyone, are you ready to make some serious cash in 2024? Today I'm diving into over 50 side hustles that can boost your income to an impressive $10,000 or more each month. Yup, you heard that right. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just add some extra financial cushion, there's something here for everyone. First up, let's talk about the gig economy. Freelancing is booming. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to connect with clients worldwide. If you have skills in graphic design, writing, or even coding, you can start raking in the dough. Check out Upwork.com and Fiverr.com to create your profile and start bidding on projects. Potential earnings can range from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on your expertise. And don't forget about virtual assistants. Many businesses are willing to pay top dollar for administrative support. Websites like 𝗶∼solutions.com and 𝗫𝗵ₐ.com are great places to start. Virtual assistants can earn between $15 to $30 per hour. Next, consider online tutoring or teaching. With the rise of e-learning, there's a huge demand for knowledgeable instructors. Websites like 𝗵𝗳𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂𝗏 and 𝗃.com allow you to teach subjects you're passionate about, right from your home. Plus, these gigs can often be done on your schedule, making them super flexible. Tutors can earn between $14 to $22 per hour. Feeling a bit more entrepreneurial? E-commerce is another fantastic avenue. Whether it's dropshipping, creating your own products, or dabbling in affiliate marketing, the online retail space is ripe with opportunities. Sites like Etsy.com, Amazon.com, and Shopify.com give you the tools to set up your own store and start selling in no time. Potential earnings vary widely but can reach thousands of dollars per month. Have you considered investing in real estate? Platforms like Airbnb.com allow you to rent out a spare room or even an entire property. With the right location and marketing, this can be a lucrative side hustle. Hosts can earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 plus per month. And if you're not ready to dive into property management, real estate crowdfunding offers a way to invest in properties with minimal hassle. Websites like Fundrise.com and RealtyMogul.com are great starting points. Potential returns can range from 8% to 12% annually. For those who love being on the go, consider becoming a delivery driver. Companies like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart offer flexible hours and decent pay. Plus, you get to explore your city and discover new places while making money. Drivers can earn between $10 to $25 per hour, including tips. If you have a creative streak, you might find success in content creation. Starting a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast can be incredibly rewarding, both personally and financially. With consistency and quality content, ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales can add up quickly. Successful creators can earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. Lastly, let's not forget about passive income streams. Investing in dividend stocks, creating digital products like ebooks or online courses, and rental income can provide ongoing revenue with minimal effort once set up. Platforms like Robinhood.com for stocks and Amazon Kindle, direct publishing for ebooks are excellent resources. Potential earnings vary, but passive income can range from a few dollars to thousands per month. So there you have it, over 50 side hustles to help you make $10,000 or more per month in 2024. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests. Don't be afraid to try multiple side hustles until you find the perfect fit. Ready to start hustling? Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're excited to try first. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to boosting your income. The possibilities are endless, and with dedication, you can achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and happy hustling. And remember, the journey to financial success starts with a single step. So take that step today and explore these side hustles. Set your goals, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. You've got this. Here's to a prosperous 2024 filled with new opportunities and financial growth. Happy hustling, everyone!